Let's try to add the printer wirelessly. So here Wi-Fi is enabled and the laptop is connected to that network and the printer is connected to the same network. So let's add it. Go to the start menu, type in control, go to the control panel, click on hardware and sound, devices and printers. Up here, add a printer, press that button, add a printer. It's this one. Let's choose the first, multifunction printer. Next. It's asking for this WPS pin. The printer is already doing something. Here we have the WPS button, that one. Press and hold that button. Disconnected, it said. Press and hold it again, and here we have a number, that's 6078-9143, and we have less than 2 minutes. So introduce that number on the computer. 6078-9143, I didn't edit the line. Click on next, connecting. The blue LED on the printer Wi-Fi LED is still flashing and nothing is happening. Connecting, and it's almost out. Your multifunction printer quit waiting. Try adding it again. Operation could not be completed. Timeout period expired. Add the printer. That one. Next. It's installing something. Successfully added. Okay, finish. And that was added. Notepad. Add, let's say, a star. Ctrl P for print. Use that SEC30, which is this one. Print. Printer is doing something. Here is the star. So the printer is working. And on the laptop the Ethernet cable was unplugged. So this printing was done wirelessly.